Hey, stop scrolling for just a second. I'm about to share a free AI tool that will literally save you hours, and I'm not kidding. Are you tired of drowning in a sea of messy notes? You know, the kind you jot down during a meeting, a lecture, or just a random brainstorming session. They're all over the place, maybe on a scrap of paper, in a random document, or scattered across 10 different apps. It's a chaotic nightmare to sort through later, right? What if I told you there is a way to instantly turn that chaos into a perfectly organized action plan? This incredible tool is called TaskFlow AI. It's an absolute game changer. All you have to do is drop in your messy, disorganized notes. Literally, just copy and paste the jumbled text. You can throw anything at it. Meeting minutes, project ideas, a to-do list you scribbled down in a hurry. Then, like magic, TaskFlow AI analyzes everything. It intelligently identifies every single actionable item, understands the context, and automatically organizes them into a clean, structured list of tasks. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant who tidies up your brain dumps. But wait, it gets even better. TaskFlow AI doesn't just list the tasks. It suggests deadlines for each one. It looks at the urgency and context within your notes to propose a realistic timeline. Imagine finishing a meeting, dumping your notes into the tool, and instantly having a complete project plan, with tasks assigned and deadlines set. This means you can say goodbye to that overwhelming feeling of where do I even start. You can go from a cluttered mess of ideas to a clear, actionable roadmap in less than a minute. This isn't just about being tidy. It's about reclaiming your time and mental energy so you can focus on what actually matters, getting things done. I use this all the time now. After a big creative session, I just paste my notes, and boom, my entire workflow for the next few days is mapped out. It has saved me from countless hours of tedious administrative work. The best part, it's free to get started. You have to try it out for yourself to really believe how powerful it is. If you want to discover more amazing AI shortcuts and productivity hacks that can transform your daily routine, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share new tools and tips every single day that will help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.